friends, welcome. On today's video, I am looking around looking for some things at the Home Depot. And the first thing I saw when I walked in the door was this beautiful wicker chair. You can put it on your porch or your patio or even in your home. This is so beautiful. I don't like the price. It's $348, but it's very beautiful. I would love to have this. I also stopped by looking at these hydrangeas. I don't know if you can tell in the video, these are the large sizes and this is a small. The large runs between about $28. The small is around $19. But if you go to Sam's Club, you can get the large sizes for $19. These are so beautiful. I love these flowers. Friends, I'm shopping around and looking around for some new pillars to go on my porch, or maybe change out some things on my porch, because in the month of May, I just want to give you a heads up. The spring and summer, I am going to do a porch collab refresh, and I would love for you to join me, and I'll give you more information on that. So I'm just kind of looking around for a budget, because y'all know I'm doing that budget thing, so I don't want to spend too much money. Now, I stopped by this flower, guys. I have no idea what this flower is named, but there was a customer that stopped by and picked it up, and she was Spanish and I'm English, so I didn't understand her, but she did shook her head and said, yes, this is a good flower. You know, on my porch, I have to get flowers that can take the sun. So if any of my friends that see this video, if you think that flower is a good flower to put on the porch and it will take a lot of sun, please let me know. Thank you, thank you. Everything looks so beautiful and so refreshed. I love coming to the stores when they get new flowers in for the season of the spring and summer months. They are so beautiful. I love those ferns, but I can't keep the ferns on my porch because the sun will scorch them. Friends, if you know of any flower that's easy to maintain that can take a lot of sun, I need an easy maintenance flower. Please don't hesitate to comment in the box. Thank y'all so much. As I give you a chance, guys, to watch this video, I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. I love these flowers. If you're not a part of the At Penny's Place, I would love to have you. Guys, thank you so much for joining. I welcome all my new friends, and I thank God for all my faithful friends. Love you. God bless. I hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. Friends, as I'm window shopping, I'm also thinking about the budget plan I want to spend and how much I want to spend. So I'm going to be writing down my ideas on how much I want to spend and what I see. I'll tell you, there's some beautiful planners. I may upgrade my planners. I'm not sure yet, but I'm looking and seeing what's out here so I can get an idea on what I want to do. These are so beautiful and they're so tempting. It is so tempting, guys. So much beautiful things. Now, these are the flowers I actually bought because my mom gave me some of these, and these tulips. I have a little garden of flowers at my mailbox, and I need to upgrade it. And I ended up buying these, but I didn't buy them until the next day. I bought 2 of those. These guys are some wicker chairs that's up high on the shelf, and I couldn't hardly see them and get them in the picture, but they're $79 each. I'm already back outside in the front of the store. I'm just taking pictures of the plants in front of the store. Don't know their names, but it's a little windy outside, so definitely had to do voiceover with this. But there are so many beautiful flowers going into Home Depot. I mean, so many. And got roses. I mean, you name it. Some reasonable flowers that you can plant in your flower garden. my new friends, if this video has inspired you and you see something you like, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much. Friends, I had to show you my flower garden before you go. And this is my mailbox, my flower garden. Yeah, it looks horrible. And I had to move some things around and hold some things out. Just showing you the process, guys. I thank you so much for joining me on today. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and please leave a comment. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy. Bye-bye for Penny. Have a blessed, prosperous night. Bye-bye.